clean the wind fan, and I want to show you how to clean it. I laid it down. I'm unscrewing these screws that's around here on each side. They take a different Phillips than the ones that's here. These take a smaller Phillips. You don't want to strip these. To unhook the bottom part, you unscrew the sides and on each side, and then you just get rid of this part. And this is when you're getting ready to clean your fan. We're gonna unscrew this, and then we unscrew this, and then you'll get to see. Now I have to take the handles because it's still stuck on. So what you do is you take a flat head and you put it in this slot, and you just easily pull it out and just take it, and you'll see it unattach. And you do that to each side, and you'll see the tab come out. You just shimmy it out, and there's that. Shimmy it out, and then the handle comes off. Now you have total access to clean your fan. Look at that dirt. We'll be back when we put it back together. Okay, to clean the back of this, I don't unattach this. I just use a nail brush. You get a doll at the dollar store, and you get just in the grooves, and you just go down, just damp it a little bit, just to get that dust off and that dirt. See, I got the dog hair problem, so I want to make sure I get all of that off. You go around, and then you flip it back over, and you be careful of your blades, because this does not come off. It doesn't unscrew off. And you do the same thing, but you go in the opposite direction. And then you just take a rag and go around your sides like this and get all that dust and hair up, so it can be nice if you have to have a fan on all year long. Just make sure you don't get any of this wet, because this is the motor. And if you do smoke and your fan's got a little yellow on here, use a nice Brillo pad or a sponge with roughy on the edge, and do a little bit of Ajax, and it'll pick up that yellow right off of here. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together. Takes 3 tools, 2 Phillips, and this. Let's see. Now that it's all clean and I dusted it and everything, I'm gonna put it back together. And the easiest way is to line your knobs up on your sides. So I'm gonna line each knob up on the side, and when it goes in, it's already lined up for my screws to go back. I'm gonna put the handle back first. So to put the handle back, I got it up with all the screws, and remember, this goes in a little clip here. So I'm just gonna line it up right here where the holes is and snap it right in. And if you notice, it automatically kind of went into the holes. And I'm gonna put these in, back in first, and all of that, and then pop that back in. Let's see if it works, because now our handles is lined up. So it's easy to put, because these screws are very small. And that's what I'm gonna do, is put these screws back in first, line them up, and screw them in. Don't over screw it, because the last thing you want to do is strip these screws. Screws in. Remember to put the handle first and make sure that them tabs is in, so you can line it up with your holes. They went right in much easy. Now I'm going to put the base back on, and to put the base back on, make sure your cord is up towards the handle, and take your base, put it down. I don't think there's a right left side, but we'll find out together. And clip it over here, and then screw your back on both sides. It's really weird, because one goes towards you and the other one goes away from you. So I'm not sure if we got these all right, but we're gonna see. So this one is coming towards me, and then this one I'm screwing away. And when you put your knobs back on, make sure you put your hand down here to lift it up, to lift this fan up, because other than that, it'll scrape here. So this way you can make sure that it's all the way up. And then this one goes this way to tighten. This one goes this way. And now it's not hitting the base at all. And it's able to still swivel all the way around. It's clean. Of course, you're going to wipe on the outside or whatever. Then go ahead and take off the dust. I would say you could plug this right in and use it. But because you've taken it apart, give it at least a half an hour. So if you got any moisture, that will get ahead and dry up. The cord never got wet. Thumbs up. Windmill. Keeping the fan clean. Throw them likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button. Good stuff and do stuff like this.